Tuesday, 11/11/2025. Someone asks in the comments why I continue to post the Astro Excel. First of all, because it'll give you these type of opportunities that you see on the chart. And secondly, because people comment and email all the time asking me to post it. This was from Friday into Monday, the Astro Excel. Remember, we key on the pivots outside the plus and minus 10 lines, which are the dark lines here and here. You see we had this high was a pivot high here, got the push down into the pivot low. Both lines turned up as the green line got above minus 10, moving upward. When the blue line turned, the trend up through Sunday and Monday was to the upside. Now I marked the significant pivots, talked about these two. This one, the market was going up. It went flat when we got outside the minus 10 line on the flat bottom. The uptrend stalled and started to just turn sideways. Flat through the quiet time. Then when the activity picked up again, when we hit this peak, this little uptrend stopped, went flat again. Then we traded down, and when we hit this peak, we made a low and got another good push up in the day yesterday. This is a 60-minute chart. Had you been following that and been looking for triggers off the rainbow and the PH, you would have been trading to the long side when I'll show that on the rainbow chart. Now I marked the key entries on the B1, B2, B3 windows, which are our primary trigger points, which is this, and that. The ones that happened in the flat consolidation areas, I did not mark. But you see we had a long price and time trigger here, price and time trigger here, price and time the only short of the day right here as we made the high a day at the time yesterday with time and price coming together at that level. We had a nice opportunity here to get long on this double bottom, really good run up. We broke the magenta line, retraced to the price at the time, setting up another long trigger. Then we had a long trigger late, didn't go farther than a long trigger late, re-challenging the high. So all good signal opportunities. So that's using the Astro Excel in tandem with the Vedic and PH triggers.